If a girl used Mullein for 2 weeks, here's what can happen. Within 24 hours, you'll notice the expulsion of old mucus as it helps to clear the phlegm blocking your airways. After 48 hours, you may begin to notice deeper, more comfortable breaths. A week into this routine, you might find your workouts easier, requiring fewer breaks. By the end of 2 weeks, you may feel like a new person. This powerful herb isn't readily accessible in local markets for a reason. They clearly don't want you to know about something that is this good for you. If everyone is healthy and at their all-time best, pharmaceutical companies would lose out on tons of profits without the need for them anymore. If you want to change your life into something that you never believed was possible, hit the shop button and get this today.